Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was another knife or knives that were sent as a response to my recent community post, so I appreciate that. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. This appears to not have been taped down. So we're just going to... these are almost just ceremonial cuts at this point, because I don't think it'll be too difficult to get into. Okay, good. Spyderco. Everybody likes... You guys obviously like Spyderco unboxings. I'm just dumping out the peanuts at this point. I can tell, because the view counts on Spyderco unboxings are always huge. MC, love the show, no rush on the return. All right, that was short and sweet. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. That's from Bill. His name is actually Bill, which I've realized the reason I've held back on the Bill jokes is exactly for that reason. There are actually people named Bill who are not hurting anybody. So... yeah, so I realized, like, that's every Bill or Will or William was just automatically thrown under the bus when I was making those jokes. Anyways, thank you very much, Bill. Let's find out what this is. Oh, the spy opera. Yes. Is that... let's make sure. Yes. So this is available, as far as I know. Sometimes I say that, and then I upload the video, and people are like, it's not! You said it was! This video, whenever you're watching it, it was likely recorded 1 to 2 weeks ago. So that's an unfortunate side effect of pre-recording content, which is something that is necessary on this channel because of my pace. I cannot, it would be impossible to get at this pace and upload 2 a day. So I always have 30 to 40 videos on reserve, which sounds crazy, but that's the truth. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. So this is... M390. This is a Lion Steel collab. M390, and it says Maniago, Italy. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We have a lockback, which a lot of people are going to like, and some people aren't. But I'll tell you, it feels really nice, really smooth. A little bit of a sticky disengagement there on the lockback. I'm sure that'll work itself out. Wire clip. Nice large fasteners. My Micarta looks fantastic. How are we on centering? Pretty close. I imagine if it's off a little bit, a quick turn of the pivot will correct that. How's the lockout? Good. Completely and totally solid. Ergonomically, it feels really good too. I can feel that wire clip, but that's the same with any wire clip. Nice ramp right here. It's a nice looking, kind of a classy gentleman's Spyderco, right? I mean, that's the thing. Spyderco always has that aesthetic that's going to attract a few people and turn most people off. And the reason that people are willing to try Spydercos is because people like me go, I thought that way too. And then I handled one and I was like, wow, that really works, because that opening hole is fantastic for manipulation. One-handed, yeah, you can totally do it. I mean, a little bit of stick there, but we're okay. Easy to manipulate. Can you flick it? Let's give it a shot. Yeah, you totally can. It's really smooth. Yeah, you absolutely can do that. So yeah, you can choke up right behind the blade because of where the handle ends. There's a little bit of a guard there, so it feels pretty good. I wonder if those liners are... Ooh. Possibly titanium. That's what it seems like. Now, of course, the lock itself, yeah, that's steel. So that's kind of neat. I mean, every now and then I find out that they're like with cold steel, they're like aluminum liners, but I would venture to guess that these are titanium, and probably the backspacer as well. It looks like titanium. Yeah, this is a nice looking knife. It's a little bit of an obscure Spyderco, but then again, it's also kind of one of the more straightforward and classy looking Spydercos. I think this is available. I'll link it down below. I think I said that. I try to say that so that people know. Yeah, this definitely strikes me as a more, I don't know, a more formal event Spyderco, a little bit of a less tactical, less, it's not in the other categories of like ultra luxury or ultra tactical or specific to just generic EDC. It kind of gives, it kind of gives me generic EDC and gentleman's folder vibes, as much as I hate that term because it's so broad. Then again, so is EDC, right? we seem to label EDC knives very specifically, like they have to be a certain length. EDC means everyday carry, right? So some people's EDC, like their ideal EDC, is going to be completely and totally different. For some people, their everyday carry, it's going to be more ideal that it's a huge knife, right? So I don't know. All these terms, it's just kind of like foggy condensing, right? But that's, if I'm going to label it, right? Because I have to use words to describe things. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I don't know what this comes in at. I can't remember off the top of my head, so I'll let you guys check that out. Here in 2 to 4 weeks, you guys will get a full comprehensive review. Obviously, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. So I will experience this, gather my thoughts, and give you guys a full review on this guy down the road. Thanks again, Bill. I appreciate that for sending this guy in. Looking forward to taking a closer look at it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.